Hey, what's going on, guys? Cub build. So far I got the transaxle all in primer. Clean the wheel up. Use carb cleaner to get that paint off the tires. It dries it out a little bit, but put some tire shine on it. It'll give it moisture again. But starting on this frame, still got to work on the front end, but I got a lot of it sanded. The front end on this kingpin, I've noticed that I think it's fell out before or something, but they got a weld on that thing on both sides, so I gotta get that cut out. It's got a spot for a cotter pin to fit in the front, but the cotter pin ain't in there. Looks like they lost the pin or something and threw something in there, but I'll fix something on that. But yeah, I'm just trying to get the back end primed up so I can put the ass end back on it. But yeah, the wheels, they cleaned up pretty good. They need to be painted too, but and the tires they got pretty decent tread on them. But I noticed on the sides there is some gashes, but they're really not that dry rotted, and I think they still hold pressure, so they'll work for now. There's the old original shift knob. I'm gonna make one of those at work too. Get rid of that old rubber one. These tires, as you can see them, they need some help. Somebody went a little crazy with the white spray paint, and they're definitely dry rotted. I don't know if you can see it. They're cracked up pretty good. Yeah, you can see it pretty good on that one. But I'll clean them up just until I get money to buy tires, but I ain't in no hurry. Like I said, this is just a weekend project thing whenever I get weekends, which isn't that often. Got a newborn son. He's 3 months yesterday, and hopefully when he gets older, he's gonna learn how to drive with the old little cub. Never know, he might pull it one day. But got some ideas on the motor. Got this old crappy exhaust on it. Looks like it's been welded up 2 or 3 times. I'm gonna take that thing off. I'm gonna take this plate off too, because all it is a muffler bracket. Like I said, I'm gonna come out up, flapper valve on top. But maybe in the next couple weeks, I'll try to get that wired up and mount it up on the bench and try to fire it up, see if it fires up. It should. But everything going good so far? Leave any comments, suggestions. Like the video. Until next time.